Hello friends, welcome back to Fenny for the Soul. Today is a football story. So the Dream Sports Foundation Mumbai organized the Dream Sports Championship Football 2025 national finals in Goa recently. 8 girls teams and 8 boys teams under 17 took part in the tournament, which was very good. Former India football stars Baichung Bhutia and Subrata Paul were guests of honor for the finals. So they spoke to the Goan media, and I have a video story on that. They stressed on the need for grassroots football if India has to progress in football, and they complimented the Dream Sports Foundation for all their efforts.
A lot of this grassroots competitions coming up, different organizations. Even you have your football schools running. Over the last 5 to 7 years, we have seen the boom in this kind of initiative. Your thoughts on this one?
I think it's a great thing that a lot of grassroots tournaments are coming up. We need more because India is such a big country and we need more kids playing in competitive tournament. I think Dream Sports Foundation doing this Dream Cup, which is I think one of the best things that's happened. It's a second year. Hopefully in a couple of years time, I think this is going to be one of the biggest grassroots football tournament for sure. Already I think it's picked up quite well. BBFS, my football school, has been associated with Dream Sports Foundation for quite some time. In last 2.5 years, through their scholarship and sponsor program, we've already got 3 kids playing for India, which are sponsored by Dream Sports Foundation, and 6 players have been called for India in different age groups. So I think for us as well, it's been a great collaboration. But the tournament, I think, is just going to get bigger, better, and the way they've organized last 2 years, I think it's fantastic. But we want, as I was speaking to Dream Foundation as well, we want under 13s and 15s as well to happen, which they are very positive about it. So hopefully, I think it's going to get bigger and better.
What's the message to the youths, like today's youths?
I think please come and play sports, get out of your phone. I think youth, I'm a father as well, so I think the thing is that we need kids to come and play football. We keep talking about India doing really well in football, but the most important thing is we need more kids to come out and play. If we don't have more kids coming out, the talent is going to be very small. So number of kids coming out and playing, the more talent we're going to scout and get it. So I think the first challenge is to make sure that kids should come out from every part of the country and come and play football. And then you'll have states and academies and clubs really getting opportunity to scout them. But if you don't have kids playing in big numbers, it becomes a very difficult for everyone.
So what excites you the most, considering your position as a goalkeeper? What talents have you seen here, and how exciting talents have you seen?
Yeah, it's great because yesterday we have a small masterclass program with goalkeepers. More than 20 goalkeepers participate, and it was really great. I see some very good talent, and especially on the Jharkhand goalkeeper, Anisha. She did very well session yesterday, and she performed well also today. And Baichung Bhai mentioned that under 13, 15, I would love is under 8, under 9, under 10, under 12 the grassroots also. Then हम जितना बच्चा खेलेगा उतना ज़्यादा हम लोग टैलेंट को जैसे नॉर्मल थिंग. We are 1.4 billion. We need more people to come in football.
One question, Subrata, that we have 29 states. Why can't we have minimum 29 AIFF grassroots academies, where children from 8 to 15 are, education is taken care of, food, lodging, clothes, something like that. Has that been discussed at that level?
The Federation is planning something big for the future generation, and there is a many. We already started the TDS center from FIFA. Already started in Odisha.
State football associations definitely struggle to have grounds because most of the grounds are owned by the government, state government, or a panchayat. So to have their own grounds, I think only few state associations have got that. So I think there are a lot of difficulties and challenges, but yes, I think it's ideal to have every state have some academies of their own. That's an ideal thing. But if you don't have academies as well, have a grassroots project tournament for grassroots different age groups. Every weekend, like any Australia, US or UK, the kids are coming and competing in different grassroots tournaments. That league has to be created in different states.
Norwich City FC has participated in the Dream Sports Championship. As legends of the game, how do you both perceive the involvement of international teams to improve Indian football?
I think very good that you've got one international team, because a lot of our boys get to see the standard, because Premier League and England is biggest in terms of football. So I think to compete with that level, to know where they stand, I think it's a great thing that we're getting an international team. Hopefully, I think we might be getting few more in coming years. But I think it's a great initiative. Plus, I think it's also going to be great for the players playing and competing with foreign teams, because they get to know where they stand, and also they get to know where other players of that age group